Well, no longer near record highs. We smashed records in Grand Forks, triple-digit heat in town at the National Weather Service office, hitting 100 degrees. The airport also very hot and breaking a record at 98 degrees here in Fargo-Moorhead. We tied that 98-degree reading. Severe storm chances taking place out to the west. We're watching for that risk for 70-mile-per-hour gusts tonight, 2-inch diameter hail. Cannot rule out an isolated tornado. There is some spin in the atmosphere. Have your Valley News Live weather app handy on this first alert weather day as we continue with our coverage tonight. First and foremost, we will have our camera here at the Home of Economy location in the Devil's Lake Basin, tuned to these towering cumulonimbus clouds outside of town. Those are the ones that are yielding the thunderstorms. You can see the thunder and lightning south of Bismarck, not far from Mobridge, South Dakota, working their way in. Now, we do have one active warning. It does include Cavalier County. It includes Towner County for a severe thunderstorm with the potential for 1-inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds as things are just firing off. Notice we have a couple of storms and cells firing near Candu and extending all the way down to near Maddock as well. That's the line of clouds we showed you on the Skycam. Here is the hail core right on the county line. It's crossing over Highway 5. The Calvin area is seeing this. Again, moving to the north and east at 24 miles per hour. These storms have very strong updrafts with this very hot air, very buoyant and, well, supporting some very sizable hail, illustrated here by the pinks. That's a hail core lofting it way up 30,000 foot or more up in the clouds, and that is causing this little hail core right here on the county line. They'll be heading in the general direction of Calvin by the time we get to 543. You have activity over you right now, but another hail core could very well make its way into town. Prepare for severe weather there. That storm, by the way, does show some signs of weak rotation. A tornado is not likely tonight, but we cannot rule it out. We are still 100 degrees in Grand Forks, 91 Thief River Falls, 92 Baudette. Hey, babe, the Blue Ox is sweating it out at 91 degrees, 96 in Aberdeen, and 97 in Jamestown. Current conditions out at Hector, it's 97, feels like 98. Gusty south winds to almost 40 miles per hour. The gusty winds will continue. Our thunderstorm chances will be greatest in our western counties as we set this into motion tonight. Notice that most of the activity skirts up into parts of Manitoba as we go through the evening. The hot weather continues and the gusty wind does continue, but tapers off into the overnight hours. So there'll be a chance of storms in our eastern counties. There is a severe thunderstorm watch crawling across the bottom of your screen as well. And that severe thunderstorm watch is in effect until 11 o'clock for our westernmost counties. Now, spotty morning showers, a couple rumbles of thunder, but our chance does return. And notice that tomorrow afternoon, the best chance for thunderstorms here in the valley takes place. The risk of severe is low, but it's not zero. So once again, have your app handy. Unfortunately, hit and miss storms. A lot of areas very dry and could certainly use moisture, but as thunderstorms sometimes and many times do, it will be spotty at best. 81 as we go through the 10 o'clock hour, soaring to 93 tomorrow with thunderstorm chances in the evening hours here in the FM area in the I-94 corridor. Gorgeous shot here. Patty, thank you so much for your Buffalo Lake shot there. Absolutely stunning indeed. All right, taking a look at your planning forecast here as we go through the next few days. We do cool off on Thursday. We still have a chance of a few showers and storms, and likewise spotty at best on Friday. Our next best chance of storms, and they could be strong ones, we'll keep our eyes on that, happen on Saturday for the weekend as we heat things up. Behind that, north winds will cool us off with some scattered showers of rain. 76 degrees. So if you don't pick up any stormy activity tomorrow in the area, maybe as you head into the early weekend, a good chance there as the summer heat returns into next week with upper 80s to near 90, likely midweek. Stacy.
That is a lot of rain chances. Thanks, Hutch.
Yep.
Well, lithium batteries caused a fire at an e-bike shop. Next, we'll have some advice to keep your home and loved ones safe.